Good evening from Ireland. My name is Allie O'Shea, international law of attraction practitioner, wealth coach, a writer and healer and inspirational speaker. So I'm here with some really exciting news this evening. Hello, Helen. How are you? Welcome. So I'm not here to teach this evening. I'm just here with some really exciting news and some updates for everybody. Hello, Stephanie. Hello, Sonia. Hi, Paul. Hi, Diane. Welcome to you all. How are you all doing? Hope you're having a lovely, lovely day wherever you are. Hello, Dave. Hello, Sylvia. Good to hear, Helen. Hello, Carol. Hello, Amanda. Oh, look at all these lovely people joining. Thank you so much for joining. So my name is Allie O'Shea, international law of attraction practitioner, writer, healer, inspirational speaker, and coach. Hello, Rashini. Hello, sweetie Diane. So I have some really, really exciting news and updates. First of all, to everybody that is subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to say a massive, massive shout out and thank you. I reached 1,000 subscribers this morning and I'm over the moon. So thank you so much to all my YouTube subscribers. Hello, Elva. Hello, Sylvia. And many, many thanks to Paul O'Shea, my husband, who does a lot of work tirelessly that people don't see in the background on both my Facebook and my YouTube. So thank you so much. I'm over the moon. So, you know, share with your friends, share my YouTube videos with your friends, and get them all on board. 1,000, but actually 1,005 subscribers this afternoon. So thank you so much. I'm over the moon with that. Hello, Luke. Secondly, I would like to say, if you have not yet joined the Consciousness Creators, which is a group where I have set up with 6 other co-creators, fantastic people, and they're all going live in there once a week, each day for the month of January to raise your vibration and to help kickstart your year off to a high vibrational start. Hi, Joelle. Hello, Will. Hello, Lynn. Thank you, Alva. Thank you. Yes, 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. It's absolutely amazing, considering I really only started doing it 6 months ago. So hello, Mary Lynn. I'd also like to thank Jason Stevenson, who sent us these beautiful gifts today for myself and Paul. Matching watch bracelets for myself and Paul with the most beautifully engraved box that says, "Love, Jay and Dharma." I don't know if you can see that, but such a thoughtful gift and so unexpected, and just love you so much, Jason, when you're watching this replay. And a shout out to him, because obviously he is part of the Consciousness Creators, as am I. And we go live in there, as I said, once each day for the month of January. Jason is going to be live in the Consciousness Creators tomorrow. I know it will be Saturday for him, so hope this does not confuse you, Jason. So on Saturday in Australia, which is AEDT AM, 8 a.m. on Saturday morning, Jason will be live. Hi, Sheb, how are you? And at 9 p.m. GMT tomorrow, Friday, 4 p.m. EST, and 1 p.m. PST, Jason Stevenson will be live. So those are just such beautiful gifts from him. So thank you so much, Jason. Myself and Paul are over the moon. And he will be live in the Consciousness Creators tomorrow. If you missed it, Lute Brian Smith, who put me in his song Vibration. If you haven't heard it, go check it out on YouTube along with all of his other music. It's a beautiful song, along with all his other beautiful music is available on YouTube. And he was live in the Consciousness Creators there this evening in Ireland. I know it was morning for his time because he's in California. Tony Doyle's in the house. Shep Gina is in the house. I hope I said that right. Sheb Gina is in the house, and Leonie is here as well. Hello. So just doing some updates to say thank you so much to all the people who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. I reached over 1,000 today. So celebrations all around. The next thing that I want to talk about is so fantastically excited that the retreat that myself and Vivian Carden are hosting together in Ireland is completely booked out for the house. However, there are still a couple of rooms left in a nearby hotel where we're putting people up, and the price remains the same, and we're shuttling people from the house to the hotel. So there are still a couple of spaces left if you would like to do that. So we're so excited, and thank you so much. We can't wait for everybody to join us, and we can't wait to meet everybody in June. Very, very excited about that. As most of you know, myself and Paul are planning on going to the United States this year, and there will be further information about that as soon as things are confirmed. Right now, I'm keeping things a little bit quiet because it's not 100% what exactly is happening, but we are definitely going. Hello, Elva. Hi, Carol. So the next thing then is today I have launched, well, today I announced that in 7 weeks I will be launching my new 4-week wealth coaching mastery group. Okay, so the law of attraction is not a wish magnet. It is a propeller of success that can work in your favor when you have been given the proper tools. Do you ever think, oh, how I wish I didn't have so much debt, or if I get another bill in the mail, I'm going to scream? Who does that, right? Throw me up some hearts if you scream when you get a bill in the mail or into your email. Oh man, I've got so much debt, I don't need another bill. When really what you should be doing is thanking the universe that you actually have the funds to pay. Okay, so when you are constantly living in the lack mindset, however, you keep repeating this process. You keep repeating the cycle of not having enough money. However, I have the tools that will help you to break through this cycle, to help you to manifest more money into your life and to be financially free of financial worry. In this group, I will be doing a live Zoom video call with each member as a group on Saturdays at 9 p.m. GMT for 4 continuous weeks. You can be on the live call, or a recording will be sent to you if you are not available at this time. In this group, we will work through and smash through your limiting self-beliefs around money, enabling you to start afresh and to have a new mindset around money, abundance, prosperity, and wealth. You will learn what an important role that the law of attraction plays in attracting or detracting wealth. You will learn specific short meditations, visualizations, and breathing techniques that you can do at home by yourself afterwards. You will learn how to set goals for your wealth and understand the true power of positive thinking and how it can help you with money, abundance, prosperity, and wealth. You will learn more about gratitude and the role that it plays. Your positive vibrational energy will be strengthened. You will eliminate fear and doubt by overcoming the fear of failure and removing negative energy. You will learn to see money in a positive light, and you will get motivated, encouraged, and your self-esteem will be raised. Now, give me some hearts if you're excited about that program, because I am so excited about that program. I am so excited about that program. Hello, Stacey. Hi, Zoe. Hi, Deb. Hi, Zoe. Helen is there. Gypsy's here. Hello. Hello, hello. Hi, Tanya. So if this is a program you are interested in, your investment is just $155. We will start the 2nd of March, which is a Saturday, but the group will be set up in advance, probably in February, for lots of support and all things to do with connection to wealth. Doors for enrollment for this group will close on the 28th of February. So the link is actually at the top of this video, and it's also on my website shop. If you're interested in making more money, being more abundant, being more prosperous, I have a little secret to tell you guys. I asked the universe 2 months ago, I said to the universe, please, I would like 10,000 euro. I'm here to tell you, I manifested that 10,000 euro just before Christmas. So you too can put these things into place that I use. You can use these tools that I will give you to help you to become more abundant, more prosperous, and more wealthy. And it will change your life. And we will do it using the law of attraction, because I am a law of attraction wealth coach, as well as an advanced law of attraction practitioner and coach. So if you're excited about that, keep throwing me up some hearts there, guys, because I am so excited about it. Thank you. Okay, so once again, Jason Stevenson will be live tomorrow in the Consciousness Creators, Friday for most of Europe, or all of Europe, I should say, for the States, etc., Canada, and all those other countries. It's only in Australia he will be live on Saturday at 8 a.m. AEDT. For the rest of us, it will be Friday, which is tomorrow, at 9 p.m. GMT, 4 p.m. EST, and 1 p.m. PST. And as I said, if you missed Luke Bryan Smith's video, please do go back and watch the replay. I think that was all that I really had to say. I'm just so thrilled, guys, and thank you so much to every single one of you that subscribes to my YouTube channel. I am absolutely over the moon, and I hope that you enjoy all of the content that I put up there, or rather Paul puts up there for me after I've done lives on Facebook. But if I do go live on YouTube, or any of my meditations, things like that, any of my live teachings, they all get up put there. Get put up there. I can't even speak today. It's been such a wonderful day here in our household. We've had just so many wonderful things happen today, and I am so excited to be launching that wealth coaching program, and I do hope that you will join me on that journey. Start to make your life better for you, more abundant, more prosperous, and more wealthy, so that you don't have money worries anymore, and that you can learn to manifest wealth. So thank you so much for the hearts, guys. I myself will be live in the Consciousness Creators at 9 p.m. GMT on Saturday. And I'm really excited about that. I've got some lovely little golden nuggets for you guys. So if you're in the Consciousness Creators, and even if you're not, because it will be shared to my page and all my groups, make sure if you're coming to my live that you bring a pen and a piece of paper. We're going to share some really good stuff, and I look forward to seeing you all then. Thank you all for joining me. I wish you a beautiful Thursday wherever you are in the world. Sending love from my heart to yours. As always, I have been Allie O'Shea. Namaste to each and every one of you. Good evening from Ireland.